Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very well. Today guys, I have shared with you crochet capsule designs for more elegant and gorgeous videos. So I will keep sharing similar design with my dear friends. Inshallah, wishes how you will like our videos, and if you want any videos related to any pattern for crochet capsule design, so I will more attractive design. So friends, this video it's so perfectly designed for everyone. These designs also carry for every highest country skills, lowest country skills, university, college skills. Easily carry these capsule designs for best variety of crochet sweater designs, capsule designs, and different cardigans. Like more amazing videos we are share with you. These so perfectly designed for everyone. Also amazing designs. Hope everyone like more amazing ideas. You get many more amazing videos. Hope everyone like more amazing ideas and different amazing designs and new varieties for winter seasons. Amazing and gorgeous videos we are share with you and different amazing ideas for related to capsule design, and every babies and baby girls carry these capsule designs, poncho designs. Are so perfectly designed for everyone. So like these amazing videos. These designs are so perfect designs for gorgeous ideas. Amazing gorgeous videos we are more attractive. So I will keep sharing similar design with my dear friend Daily, inshallah. We share how you will like our video. So I request you to subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon and hit the button for notification for more elegant and gorgeous videos. For more elegant, more attractive designs for everyone. Like more amazing videos, you get many more amazing designs. So I will keep sharing similar design with my dear friends daily, inshallah. You get many more elegant ideas. These designs are so perfectly designed for everyone, and also elegant videos. You get many elegant ideas. So friend, this video it's so amazing. These designs it's so amazing. So let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in the next video. Thanks for watching our videos. Thanks once again. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Hello everyone.